First, we do this multiplication, 20 over 9 times 9. We can easily cancel this 9 and this 9. So here we have just 20. And 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this division, 20 divided by 20 over 9. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And times 9. No, 20 times 9 over 20. We can easily cancel this 20 and this 20. So here we have just 9. So 9 times 9, which equals 81. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 81.